ultimate. There, there's a Kimpil sketch where there's a person that needs to give a speech after Martin Luther King's speech, where he said, "I have a dream," and he says, "What? What else can we add?" So I'm going to do it from here. It's very easy. And then I'm going to try here how not to present in LACNOG and other technical fora the previous presentation, not just because of its of all the knowledge, but the content. I don't know what we are going to say here. If you want to leave, you may do that. May do so. So I wanted to tell you a bit about myself. Let me tell you all my certifications. Wait a minute, I need to turn around. I used to be at the LACNOG committee. I'm certified, and I once went to school. And I loved it. To tell you the truth, I loved school. So let's go to the key things. The best way to bore everybody is to tell them everything and explain everything you can explain. For instance, Alvaro made a huge mistake when he talked about BGP, but he didn't show each and all the bits of the packets and the roots of and all the different families. I expected some more. I don't know whether you all know BGP. Raise your hands if you know BGP. Nobody raised their hands. So APM is very important. I sincerely think that turning around and reading a slide and with many words, I think that it's the best way to excite the public and so that they will go out to eat and talk to friends and drink a glass of beer and to look for T-shirts and don't to have any grammar and spelling mistakes. At present, the translators want to murder me, no doubt. But how long do I have? Any more time? Are you sure that I have more time? Any questions? No. So I have 5 minutes. So these are 200 slides. It's not so long. Graphics are very important. Graphs. Alvaro again. Alvaro's charts were too easy to understand. This is a typical chart. This is an image. Can you hear me? I understand this chart. It's absolutely clear to me. I don't understand how you don't understand it. Yes, very nice chart. Beautiful. And I love that clown because it's a clown. So the important thing is to keep focus on this. So here we have 3 people. These are my friends. I wanted to include them. Gustavo uses Vim, and he's a friend of Antoniello and Ludovica and Mirta too. You can ask them questions. This is especially for Brazilians. There, you asked for it. If you want Mirta, Ludovica, and Gustavo's again, Messi. Okay, time is endless in presentations. It's an illusion, as Harry Potter said, of Star Wars. Star Wars. And as Jose Luis Perales, a great Kerrang, he says, time is a blank canvas. You draw your own painting, or as the Dalai Lama that says, time, well, uh, time is money. And well, there I gave you a USB with the latest presentation. Do you have it? A minute ago I gave it to you there in that thing. I'm going to click on this. We love to receive presentations in the last minute. The audio and video people love to receive last minute changes. So do this, and the video. I gave it to you in the USB. I gave it to Antoniello. So turn the video on, play. The video is not working, so down there you have the URL if you want to copy it. You have 45 minutes to copy the URL address. Do that. So, you've done it? Ah, I left it there. You can't trust anyone lately. Well, finally, I'm leaving all this time. Finally, Alvaro's presentation was quite impressive, not just the contents, but the way his delivery, because he created this environment for exchanging Q&As. The slides were absolutely understandable, and he didn't read the slides, but he just used them as to talk to people while I was here at the back. General recommendations for presentations are 2 minutes per slide, including headings. So I have the first slide that says BGP. The second says introduction to BGP. 2 minutes, 2 minutes, 2 minutes, 2 minutes. If it can be 1.5, so much the better. The graphs, as we said earlier, need to be clear and understandable. There you have Messi with the cup, well, the World Cup. And we need to prevent audios, videos, and animations, especially for the people there at the back in audio, video, and animations, because they drive us crazy. If you want many more, there you have, I leave you the QR. Do you know timing URL that reduces the size of URLs? This is a website, now, and I'm going to get closer, that's called really long link. Instead of a short one, it will give you a link with 3,000 characters. The idea of this presentation is to introduce the LACNOG's call. Please consider this: the number of slides, the contents of each slide. Here, we're not here for keynote talks. This is not a university forum where we have to explain each little piece of everything that we are explaining. Let people leave, go home with ideas that they will complete on their own. Thank you. That was all. The video, please. What do I do, Hernan? Should I stay here? Any questions? Thank you, Tomas. So, let's call our friend Jorge Villa.